Hey, Happy New Year's, everybody. It's currently snowing here in Royal Oak, Michigan. It's New Year's Eve, and I figured I would drop a video before I go in and watch Penn State, Boise State game, a little playoff football. So I'm going to be unboxing an exhaust that I just got in from Brazil. So it's for a 3KJ Yamaha jog. Well, yes, it's for the jog, but it's really for any horizontal minarelli, but it's made for the jog in the sense that the header won't scrape the ground when you turn. So like it's for this jog right here. So I've heard a lot of issues with like a Yasuni R, the header scrapes. So I started looking around, and there really isn't many options for the jog. You can run the V8. V8 pipes are good, pretty readily available, but this is a sweet pipe that I can't wait to show you. I got it from 012 Stunt Parts in Brazil, and I will include a link to their site or their social media. And I believe it is made by RR Tuned, but I'll also drop that in the description. It was $400 shipped, which was 2,600 Brazilian real. So here we go. All right, so here it is. Big Milwaukee fan. So it looks like it says security checked. It was shipped DHL, and I did pay an extra $100. No, an extra 100 Brazilian for the insurance. All right, because I'm one-handed. I went ahead and cut the main exterior wrapping off. Oh, that's taped there. All right, so now we have the next layer of packaging. And you can already see the snail shape, or the Brazilian word is like caracal. I don't know how to pronounce it. All right, changed razor blades through that. This is definitely packaged well. Let's see. So it's got the nice slip joint here with the spring. So you put the flange on the scooter, and then you can take this on and off easily by spring. I mean, this thing is beautiful. That looks like the bracket. Wow, this thing is sweet. Whoo-wee. That is gonna be so sick. Man, it's pretty light too. So perk for sure. Looks like, let's see. Here is some stickers they sent. All right, I got the stickers out of there. So that's 012 Stunt Parts. I think that is everything. Oh yeah, all right, so the bracket, you got this stainless steel bracket, some inox. I guess it would go like that. And then it came with some sort of rubbery, it's hard. I don't know, it's not Delrin. I'm not sure what this is, but a bushing, which I would guess is for right there, for the vibration between that and the bracket. But yeah, I think this is aluminum, and then everything else is stainless. Man, I'm so excited to have this thing.